I was in a work program in high school where I went to school for half a day and I went to work for half a day. And it was the last 2 years of high school, and I worked in a body shop, and I realized that this is really what I wanted to do in life. Someone that walks in off the street has no knowledge of repairing vehicles. UTI sets their foundation for learning the automotive industry, and we will not accept anybody that just walks in off the street. We need someone who has a background in the education on the field of, the auto technician industry. We felt that in this industry we're losing technicians and we don't know how to replace them, and we just decided that we wanted to go ahead and have our own program and teach our own students, our own technicians that do it the Service King way and the proper way and the way that we want them to evolve. The Apprentice Supervisor's role is not actually just to teach them how to repair vehicles. It's about life. You need to teach them integrity, quality, safety. They need to do this outside the shop, let alone just not inside the shop. And they need to realize that how important it is to interact with other teammates and even interact with someone at the grocery store. It's just going to set their whole attitude for when they, come to the workplace, and you definitely need a good attitude.